how long will this last, or how long will this play out. So going by the past, so as we have seen, the number of days have reduced from previous pandemics to the recent pandemics. So swine flu, everything played out between 116 days, and SARS between 101 days. But it's very difficult to predict this kind of situation. But if we go by this, so I think everything should play out within 3 to 6 weeks of time. And the most important disclaimer for this kind of thing is the importance of social distancing. So if government everywhere across the world are very proactive in imposing social distancing, so this is the chart which you can see is from 1918 Spanish flu time, and these are for the various cities in America. So for various things, so the skin color bar graph or the brown color bar graph shows the number of days for which the lockdown was imposed. So the cities where the lockdown was imposed multiple times and for a longer duration of time, the number of death toll was very low, and they were able to quickly recover from this Spanish flu and had a very less impact on their economies, or maybe economic activity, which we can say. So if we are able to follow a similar thing, then might be we might be able to weather this crisis, weather this epidemic very fast. And going from all this presentation cues, so how to protect this. So one way is you can say have a TLT in your portfolio, because it has a negative correlation with S&P 500. So if you have a equity dominated portfolio, then it's better to go with TLT. And second is you can have multi exposure to multi-factor portfolio in your existing portfolio to reduce the impact. And which factors to go with, it's again your call. It's again your call based on what you think currently is correction or recovery phase. Based on that, you can allocate the factors in your portfolio. And again, I'll recommend you to avoid crude oil, because if this stays for long, then recession is what is forecasted for this year, and which will mean less demand for crude oil, and the price will continue to fall. So that is how it is. And these are some interesting charts. If you like, you can have a look of how the past crises have played out, and what was the impact of that.